Hello, class. Today I'm going to read I Like Me by Nancy Carson. I have a best friend. That best friend is me. I do fun things with me. I draw beautiful pictures. I ride fast. And I read good books with me. I like to take care of me. I brush my teeth. I keep clean and I eat good food. When I get up in the morning, I say, "Hi, good looking." How many of you look in the mirror every morning and say, "Hello, good looking"? If you don't, you should start saying it every morning. I like my curly tail, my round tummy, and my tiny little feet. When I feel bad, I cheer myself up. When I fall down, I pick myself up. When I make mistakes, I try and I try again. No matter where I go or what I do, I'll always be me, and I like that. The end.